tell which side has a whole different face of makeup on? One side is over $600 and the other one is just a little bit over $100. I'll give you a second. I can't. So let me show you which side. These are some of my go-to current favorite affordable items that make your skin look so gorgeous, modern, and also at an affordable price. So as you can see, this side is done. Let me replicate it. So we're gonna start with the Versed Skin Tint. I recently did a Foundation Friday on this, so if you want a more in-depth detail on this foundation, please go take a look at that. I have the Armani Luminous Silk on this side, and a really good dupe for that is the L'Oreal Age Perfection, but I'm using the Versed one because I applied the Armani so light that this is definitely more of that finish. It's much similar to it than the L'Oreal. Now for bronzer contour, I love these by Elle. This is definitely a cooler toned bronzer contour, but they're so water-like that they blend in beautifully. And we're just going to tap this up into the hairline and towards the eye. On the other side, I have used the Sarah bronzer, just been loving it. And I use the Sarah bronzer on my eyes. It's one of my favorite tricks to do is to use whatever bronzer you used on your eyes. And it just acts as like a nice base to lay down and to start your transitional color. And I am gonna go up into the crease onto the brow bone and kick this out ever so slightly here. Isn't that a pretty subtle, natural color for a wash on the eye? Now we're going in with the CoverGirl Skin Enhancer, and this is the bronzer version because I did use the Hourglass bronzer on this side. And we're just gonna reinforce this by doing the exact same placement, just a little bit more on the cheek and layering that powder and cream for longevity. I'm gonna take that same bronzer and we're gonna go right over the other e.l.f. color. Same positioning. We're gonna use our Neutrogena Cream Cheek product. And as always, everything will be linked on elleary.com as well as below in the description box and on my ShopMy. That little balm by Neutrogena is becoming one of my go-tos. I recently did a short where I did a full face with it. CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Blush version to mimic the Hourglass blush I used. I used Merit on this side and then the Hourglass over it, which I kind of enjoyed this coloring just a touch more than this. It's a little bit more spring. This is definitely a little more kind of warmer fall. And I am gonna use that blush ever so slightly right here on just the bottom half of the lid, just to add, see how this is a little pinky over here? The only thing I don't have a dupe for is the One Size Glass Setting Spray. It's one of my favorites and I just haven't gone out to get one. So if you have a drugstore or affordable price one, definitely comment in the comment section for everybody. This Morphe finishing powder is such a dupe for the Hourglass one. So we are just going to set this middle of the face, blur everything. Look at that ethereal halo it gives. Now let's talk eyebrows. This one is by ColourPop. This is a complete dupe for the Anastasia one. I actually think that it is a little bit more pigmented than the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I've been using Anastasia Brow Wiz for, I don't know, close to, 10, 15 years. Lips are gonna be hard to do both sides. I normally would use a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner and usually some form of her lipstick or just a gloss, but I've been using these for the past several months. This is the NYX Lip Stains. And then this is new by NYX. I just picked it up at Ulta. This is their Smushy Matte Lip. And it's so pretty. Now, I necessarily wouldn't call this matte, but I have it actually over a lip balm, so it will dry down a little bit more matte. So this is the final look. I mean, if I was, I'm literally gonna go out about my day and not worry that people are gonna think that I have two different types of products on different sides of my face. So I hope that this is a testament to show you that gorgeous, expensive looking makeup doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Affordable is really stepping up their game. Which side do you like best?